Good morning, students. Let's talk about importance of pH in everyday life. pH is quite important in our daily life because the let's talk about different kind of examples how pH is affecting the metabolic activity in our or we can say in our body, how pH is affecting the survival of aquatic life and everything, how pH is affecting the crop productions. So first is, are plants and animals pH sensitive? Certainly they are sensitive because the metabolic activity is we can say occurring at certain pH, like the body, the reactions occurring at 7 to 7.8 pH normally. So the metabolic activity we can say occurs at this pH. So the pH is increase or decrease, the metabolic activity gets low. And also, for example, when you talk about acid rain, usually the pure water is having 7 pH, like distilled water, and next we can say pure water is rainwater. But rainwater is get polluted by the acidic gases in the environment, and acid rain is formed, which you have studied in lower classes. And this acid rain is having pH value 5.5. When this acid rain goes in the water bodies, what happens? They decrease the we can say pH value, or we can say they increase the acidic nature of the water bodies, and this is actually a threat to the survival of the aquatic bodies, because the primitive organisms like fish, they're quite we can say having less complex body, they're primitive though compared to human body, they can't we can say bear this pH changes. And what happens, some primitive organisms they die because of the high pH nature. So acid rain destroys, or we can say have detrimental effect on the aquatic life, having bad effect on the aquatic life. So this was about the plants and animals. Let's talk about pH of soil. Yeah, certain crops require a particular pH to grow. Certain crops require acidic nature, certain crops require basic nature. So farmers are advised to add that kind of we can say fertilizer which is also basic nature or acidic nature which they require. For example, if soil is base acidic, so if it is acidic soil, it can't grow certain kind of crops. So they can add calcium oxide or slaked lime to their soil, which can we can say neutralize the nature acidic soil, and this is basic, so it can neutralize the effect of acidic soil. In the same way, if the soil is basic soil, so how we can change the basic nature? By adding acidic salt or acidic fertilizer, ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate is acidic, so by adding certain salt we can change the pH of soil, because plants require certain pH to grow, certain crops require certain pH. So this was what pH of soil. Now let's talk about digestive system. So in digestive system, what happens, as you learn in previous classes, that hydrochloric acid is present in the stomach which break down the foods, okay. But when hydrochloric acid is in excess, certain people get acidity, acid, chest burns, heart. So what happens, they take antacid tablets. Antacid tablets are having milk of magnesia. What is milk of magnesia? Magnesium hydroxide. So this magnesium hydroxide, this might have come in first chapter also. So this milk of magnesia, which is magnesium hydroxide, is basic nature, which can neutralize the effect of acid in the stomach. Okay, so this is used as antacid tablets. Also, you have to learn that in our stomach, the acid is used to digest the proteins. But when the partially digested food goes to intestine, it requires basic medium. Okay, the basic medium is provided by pancreatic juice and bile juice from the liver. Then only the digestion take place in small intestine. The complete digestion take place in small intestine, and it requires basic medium. And partial digestion take place in stomach, which require acidic medium. So different kind of pH is required for digestion. So you must understand how much important is pH value. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let's talk about pH change in case of tooth decay. So as you have seen, also you might have experienced as a kid, what happens where the kids have tooth decay. Normally anybody can have. So tooth decay is because of the whenever we eat food, what happens, the food which is left over in our tooth on molars, what happens, the bacteria they feed upon them, and bacteria they are doing anaerobic respiration. So what they do, they produce acids. So this acid is dissolving the enamel. Enamel is quite hard. Enamel is the hardest substance in the body. It doesn't dissolve anything, but in acid it get dissolved. So we are not having acid, but what happened, the bacteria they feed on the leftover food which is in the present between the teeth, and they create acidic nature. So after having meals, the saliva is acidic, okay, and this also having this dissolve the enamel, and then tooth caries or tooth decay occurs. Usually tooth decay occur at pH 5.5. Okay, so we can just brush our teeth after every meals, by which we can save our teeth. Also, toothpaste is having basic nature, which is used for neutralizing the acidic nature present in saliva. Self-defense by animals and plants. Okay, for example, red ants. The red ants, when they bite you, they will give you methanoic acid, that is formic acid. That's why in Latin language, red ants are known as formica. Formica, the word came from formic acid. Formic acid is methanoic acid, HCOOH. It is also called methanoic acid or formic acid. This formic acid, so red ants are known as formica. The word came from formic acid. When they bite you, they give you burning sensation because they produce methanoic acid which goes in your body. So we can neutralize this effect by applying soap. So soap is basic nature. Even honeybees bite it, stings you. What happens? They give some kind of acidic compound in your body. So they like for formic acid. So you can apply a baking soda or you can apply soaps. Even in plants like nettle leaves. Nettle leaves, the strings, they have stings and they produce formic acid. So usually dog kind of plants are present near the nettle leaves, which can apply on that, we can say on that particular skin area to feel relief. So by this we can understand the leaves present around the nettle leaves, that is dog leaves, are having basic nature. And also we can apply soap or baking soda which are having basic nature. So this was about the pH value in your day-to-day life. Okay, I hope you understood.